In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the default layout in Shotcut. If you've spent time editing in Shotcut, you know how easy it is to nudge a panel out of place. Maybe the timeline slips off screen, the filters panel undocks and floats over your preview, or the playlist ends up tucked into a corner. Suddenly, the workspace looks unfamiliar, and even simple edits can feel slower and more confusing. You could try to drag each panel back where it belongs, but if you don't remember the original arrangement, that can be a hassle. Here's the fast, reliable way to clean everything up. With your project open, look to the top of the window and click the View menu. Move down to Layout, then choose Restore Default Layout. The moment you click it, Shotcut snaps every panel back to its original home. The timeline returns to its usual spot, the preview sits front and center, and supporting panels like Playlist and Filters dock neatly where they started. No guesswork, no hunting for missing windows. Your workspace is reset in seconds so you can get right back to editing. This reset changes only the workspace layout, not your project. Your media, timeline edits, filters, keyframes, and export settings remain exactly as they were. Think of it like tidying your desk without touching the work on it. That makes it a safe first step anytime things feel cluttered or out of place. There's a reason the default layout is so useful. It's designed to keep the most important tools visible and logically arranged. The preview is easy to reference, the timeline is always within reach, and panels you use frequently are docked in spots that are efficient without being distracting. If you're new to Shotcut, returning to this baseline layout can help you navigate more confidently and follow along with tutorials more easily. Of course, you can still customize your workspace after resetting. You can drag panels by their tabs or title bars to dock them in different areas and resize them to match your preferences. If your layout drifts again, maybe a window gets undocked or something disappears from view, just repeat the same path. View layout, restore, default layout. It's a quick way to recover a clean, familiar workspace whenever you need it, and that's all there is to it. One simple menu command that restores order and lets you focus on your story instead of wrestling with windows. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Shotcut.